Black or Enchant's Cash are designed to build a financial relationship that becomes more valuable as users remain active within the ecosystem. Revenue grows through foreign exchange card activity, gold savings, responsible credit, and additional financial services, rather than depending on a single transaction or fee. Our commercial thesis is to monetize ongoing financial activity, not one isolated transaction. The model combines 5 progressive revenue layers, 3 financial scenarios, and 1 shared infrastructure for 2 brands. ARPU is weighted by actual adoption and usage, while each product has its own launch phase, economic formula, and validation process with regulated partners and real users. Family money movement is the entry point into the ecosystem, but the broader financial relationship generates revenue. Eligible internal transfers may have no separate fee. Monetization begins when users maintain a wallet, spend with their card, exchange currencies, save in gold, or later access responsible credit products through regulated partners. Foreign exchange, card activity, and gold savings are planned for the initial launch. Gold savings is therefore part of the core wallet experience from the beginning. Approximately 6 months after launch, we plan to introduce Credit Circle and gold collateralized credit, subject to regulated partner, risk, compliance, and operational validation. Bill payments and other value-added services will be introduced later. This table illustrates a mature cohort generating approximately $8 in monthly attributable revenue per active user. The calculation weights each product according to adoption, monthly activity, and Blackor's net economic participation. It does not assume that every user adopts every feature, and it does not necessarily represent the first year of operations. At launch, the wallet, foreign exchange, card activity, gold savings, and basic services could generate an estimated $4 to $6 in monthly ARPU. Around month 6, Credit Circle and gold collateralized credit could increase that range to approximately $6 to $9. Selective credit and additional services would follow later, while mature multi-product cohorts could reach between $8 and $12 per month. Annual revenue is calculated using average monthly active users throughout the year, rather than the number of users reached at the end of the period. By year 5, the conservative scenario reaches approximately $54 million, the base scenario reaches $99 million, and the expansion scenario reaches approximately $173 million. These are illustrative scenarios designed to test assumptions, not guaranteed outcomes. The scenarios do not differ only by user count. They also reflect different levels of activation, retention, multi-product adoption, credit penetration, customer acquisition cost, CAC payback, and operating efficiency. The expansion scenario, therefore, requires more than rapid growth. It depends on stronger retention, broader, validated product adoption, and a more efficient customer acquisition and operating model. ARPU is not the same as profit. We first calculate the revenue attributable to Black or after direct product partner economics. We then subtract variable compliance, customer support, portfolio servicing, fraud, chargebacks, reserves, and credit losses. This produces contribution margin before CAC. After acquisition cost, we can measure the real contribution of each customer cohort. Black or Enchant's Cash serve different customer segments through the same critical infrastructure. Blacker provides the global multi-currency wallet, foreign exchange, card activity, and gold savings, with gold collateralized credit plan for the second phase. Enchant's Cash focuses on Credit Circle and responsible community-based credit. Both brands reuse the same payment, security, compliance payments, authorized data, and API capabilities. We are raising $1.5 million in pre-seed capital to fund approximately 18 to 24 months of runway and take the existing product through partner integrations, a verified user pilot, and a regulated partner-led market launch. The funds will support product development, legal and compliance work, security infrastructure, pilot distribution, the initial operating team, and contingency reserves. The key milestones are contracting the core partners, activating the first corridor, launching the pilot, and validating the initial unit economics. Blacker does not monetize one isolated transaction. It builds a long-term financial relationship. Family money movement supports acquisition, foreign exchange and card use generate recurring activity, gold savings improves retention and value protection, and responsible credit deepens the relationship over time. The next milestone is to validate customer acquisition, retention, risk controls, and net contribution through the pilot.